Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to find Lyft promo code. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. After you open the browser, what you have to do is visit the websites which provide you the promo codes of various stores. For me, I'm just going to go to the coupon follow. If you also want to do that, click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in couponfollow.com and press enter. Now after doing that, you'll be led to the official website of Coupon Follow. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the search bar for searching for a store. Simply click on it. Now what you have to do is type in Lyft over here. Now you'll be able to see several results. Simply click on the option Lyft. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various coupon codes over here. Scroll down for more options. You'll be able to find the promo codes for 50% off, 40% off, 30% off, $10 off, etc. Find the promo code that you like the best. Once you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, show coupon code. Now you'll be redirected to new interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the promo code over here. You can redeem it at Lyft by simply clicking on this option, redeem at Lyft, or you can also simply copy it. For that, click on this option, copy. Now you can paste this promo code during the checkout and you'll be able to get the discount as promised by this promo code. So like this, you'll be able to find the Lyft promo code. So that is how you find Lyft promo codes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.